Welcome to today's video on how to make your YouTube videos go viral. First, focus on creating high-quality and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve searchability. Promote your videos on social media platforms to reach a wider audience and encourage sharing. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers to cross-promote each other's content and expand your reach. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging them to subscribe and share. Experiment with different video formats, such as tutorials, challenges, or vlogs, to keep your content fresh and interesting. Use eye-catching thumbnails and compelling video intros to grab viewers' attention and entice them to click and watch. Leverage trending topics or popular events to create timely and relevant content that people are more likely to share. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Building a viral YouTube channel takes time and consistent effort. Keep creating and improving,